So today we have a rare DB7 Zagato Coupe. It's one of 99 and extremely rare, and wonderful provenance and 3,000 miles from new. So hope you enjoy. Here we are. It is a cold start with our wonderful little red starter button. And what can I tell you? We're going to turn the AC on because it is a modern car and works really well under automatic. And once again, just warm her up. Really fun to drive. The underpinnings are a DB7 GT. This particular one has a sport exhaust, which you will hear on the farm road a little bit later. We're going to take you through a little bit of suburbia in Huntington to show you how docile she is. But of course, it's 6-liter V12, plenty of torque. You know, could be driving around London, could be driving around New York City, could be driving around just about anywhere in a wonderful DB7 Vantage Zagato in Sage Green. And the interior is all chestnut aniline leather, so it's distressed, which is really cool. And as you can see from the headlining, it is really, really neat and suede. And let's face it, I'm babbling a little bit because I would like to tell you everything about this car, but everything about this car is really already stated on the website. I'm going to let the car speak for itself a bit. All right, here we are on a twisty road, and this is where it's fun. We're going to be mellow and show you how much fun she is just cruising. They really are fabulous Astons, and I think the last of a generation, which is what we said about the cars that were made at Newport Pagnell, but I guess we extended a little bit. But they are certainly far more British than the newer DB11s that are powered by Mercedes-AMG motors. Do I sound like I'm disgruntled about that? A little bit. Well, we enjoyed doing our flybys, and now we're on our twisty road again, heading towards the farm road, where we will get on it a little bit and show you the might of the 6-liter V12 motor in this lovely Vantage Zagato. Hey, by the way, I want to send a shout out to Neil Gerard, who loves you, baby. How's London town? Just so you know, she's available. She could come back to home. Nick, you'd look good driving down the Fulham Road in this puppy. Power steering, climate control. We're going to run through the gears as usual. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. And if you really want to hit cruising altitude, which you cannot do here in the States, you could have 6th. But if you want to go quickly, we go down to 3rd, 2nd, and launch. And obviously brakes to match. And in British comfort. So, need we say more? 1 of 99, 6-liter V12, celebrity ownership, rock and roll Hall of Famer, Eric Clapton, and just a cool car, regardless of Mr. Clapton or not. Just a joy to drive. She's going back in the showroom, and she's available for the taking. See ya.